Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Prosper credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.prospercreditcard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on this official web page. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner from the main home page and log into your Prosper account by typing in your email address associated with the account. After you are done, click on the continue button. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you via your email, which is 6 digits long, and click on the continue button. Or you can also use a password by clicking on this link and entering a password associated with your Prosper account. If you don't remember your password, click the reset password button and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after filling in your credentials, click the continue button, and that is how you can easily log in to your Prosper credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.